Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Wednesday, September 10th. Market tried to rally. We're up 115 points or so, no conviction. And it took hours to get up that 115 points. And then by the end of the day, they gave back about two-thirds of the entire rally. They just can't seem to hold on. There seems to be no conviction on the buy side. There's no pizzazz. There's no push. There's no legs. It was sort of a backing and filling day. It didn't help the charts and it didn't hurt the charts. So we'll take a look at all the indexes in the final segment. Not much has changed. What else happened today? Sold AYR short. Watched it go down $0.50 and then rally back up. But, it's just running back up into a resistance area. Have a new idea tomorrow, another short idea. The stock is QLogic. The symbol is QLGC. So in just a moment I'll show you the chart and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. So don't go away. I will be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of QLGC. This is a call on the short side, and we'll be looking to sell the stock short tomorrow right around 1838. It might try to lift again up into the 1860 area. Anything above last night's close would be a good spot. It may not rally tomorrow, but anywhere around last night's close is probably what I'm going to be shooting for. Target on the downside, $14.50, right down here. Buy stop limit, a close above that price right there, which is $19.35. So you're basically risking a dollar loss to make about $4. That's the ratio, 4 to 1. Alright, what do we see? Well, I got a couple things going on here. Let's start with the head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, right shoulder, head. It's a bearish formation. The head and shoulders is a bearish formation. And we've got this same look that the transportation average has. I call it the House of Cards look. Right there. It's a bearish formation. And the right side of that is a descending triangle on top of that. So you can see this was the initial breakout or breakdown. This was the kickback these couple of days, and I think it's ready to roll right over here. So let me recap that. That's QLGC, call on the short side, and depending on where we sell this, I think we probably make ourselves about $4 or $4.50. Okay, let's take a look at the AYR. Sold the stock short on the way down. I sold it at 12.50. Watched it go to 12, and then watched it come right back up to 12.80. But the picture hasn't changed. We've still got this descending triangle. So we'll be patient. The look is still there, and the market's it's hurricane season, so to speak. Okay, let's take a look at the major indexes. Not much has changed. Like I said, it was kind of like a ho-hum day, backing and filling. Here we have the Dow. Here's today's action. A little bit of a rally up and kind of like failed in the afternoon. This is the area that I think is resistance, which is stopping it right here. And we still got this rollover look. Or we've got this descending triangle look. It's just bearish looking. Transportation average rallied back up into resistance. We still have this house of cards look. Nothing has changed there. Russell 2000, a little rally back up into resistance. Still a very negative look. That's our resistance. Just ran back up into it. So the picture hasn't changed there either. Standard & Poor's 500, which is represented by the SPY, very similar to the Dow. Got this rolling over look. Like I said, it was just a backing and filling day, and we may have a few more days like that before the next move on the downside takes place. QQQ's worst acting in the group, didn't rally much at all, and gave back half of what it gained on the day. This is our resistance area right up here. So like I said, nothing's really changed. Pictures still look the same. They're all negative looking, and I do expect the market to work itself lower over the coming days and weeks. Okay, that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.